Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am back with another makeup tutorial, and it is this look right here, obviously, because why would it be another look? But anyways, it is this beautiful spring makeup look, and I'm really excited because I like the way it came out. So if you guys want to see how I got this look, then please stay tuned. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, Facebook, and Twitter. And let's get right into the video. I already have my powder on, my concealer, and my eyebrows. So now I'm just gonna get started on my eyes, which is the fun part. I know I did a tutorial on this Patrick Star Spring collaboration, but I'm really drawn to this pink. So I wanna try to, since I didn't use it in my last tutorial, I wanna try to use it now. So that's probably one of the colors that I'm gonna be using. I have a whole lot of palettes that I wanna get more use out of. So I'm trying to incorporate them, but it's just so much right now. I'm saying I have a whole lot of palettes, but I'm actually about to go into this Inglot Freedom System palette to build up this color into my crease. So I'm just gonna take this fluffy blending brush, and I'm gonna use that to build up this color in my crease. But I don't know if you guys are like beginners as far as makeup goes, or if you guys are experts, or if you guys are just a 5-minute makeup every day just to like boost myself up a little bit. I don't know. But if you guys need any tips, of course I will give them to you. And one tip is to make sure you're looking down at the mirror. Like my mirror is right down here, and it's like at a slanted angle, and that's when you can build the color in your crease better. And then when you look up, that shadow is right in your crease. And your crease is just like the fold in your eye. Some of us have hooded eyelids and don't necessarily have a crease, so we have to kind of make one. But this is a good trick to use for if you have a crease. If you don't, it'll definitely help you with your eyeshadow application. I'm just gonna take this domed shadow brush from Royal and Langnico. This one is from BH Cosmetics, by the way, but I got it off of Amazon like years ago. But I'm gonna take this one with no shadow on it, and just blend out the edges. This brush is a lot more dense than the one I was just using, so it has more of a grip, so it's able to blend like faster and better, in my opinion. Just the edges though, because I don't want it to take away my eyeshadow. Yeah, that's what we want. See? Now my crease is good. My crease. I don't know what's wrong with me. I just drank coffee. Now to just deepen like the very crease. With the fluffy brush, I was being a little bit sloppy. This whole time I didn't have you guys zoomed in. So I'm gonna zoom you guys in now, okay? I'm sorry, but now you can see my crease better, right? And pardon my nails because they are a mess. Okay, so now I'm just gonna take, with the fluffy brush, this is what I was saying. With the fluffy brush, I was kind of all over the place in the general crease area, but I'm gonna use this more tapered blending brush to definitely focus this color a little bit more in the actual crease and deepen it a little bit more. Oh, and this brush is from Glamour Dolls, and it's a collaboration with, I think, a YouTuber, but I really don't remember the name. I'm so sorry. So now I'm just gonna go back to my fluffy brush really quick and blend that out one more time. Just a little bit though, because I just wanted to focus that color a little bit in the crease. I'm gonna take this shade from my MAC Cosmetics Risk Taker palette, and I'm taking this shade right here, and it's a cream matte shade, this one right here, and it's called Totally Obsessed. So I'm gonna take that shade, but first I am going to carve out my lid a little bit with some concealer. I'm using my favorite concealer, IT Cosmetics Concealing Pot in medium. And I'm not going for like a super cut crease at all, so I'm just gonna carve my lid out a little bit just so the color can pop a little bit more. So I'm just gonna tap that concealer with my finger to make sure it's not super tacky, because if it is, then it's gonna, my eyeshadow that I'm about to pack on is gonna look like clumpy, because it's just gonna stick too much to the concealer, which you want it to stick a little bit because that's kind of the point, but not so much where you get like patchiness on your lid. So now I'm gonna take this BH Cosmetics shader brush, and I've had this for years as well. And I'm gonna take that shade from the Risk Taker palette, that Totally Obsessed shade, and I'm gonna put that all over my lid where I just put the concealer. I think I'm actually gonna take, what is this? Let It Rock. This is a highlighter in the palette, this big shade right here. It looks like it has some shimmer, obviously, because it's a highlighter, but it's not, it doesn't look like super glittery like this one. So I'm gonna take this one and lightly go over that matte shade a little bit. I'm just taking that fluffy brush that I was using, that fluffy blending brush, and making sure my crease color is still alive, dusting away all the excess lid color that may have gotten up there. Okay, so I'm gonna take this shader brush, and all of these brushes from Royal and Langnico, by the way, I do have a code with them. My code will be in the description box below, so if you guys wanna have some cute, very functional brushes, I'm not talking shit, guys, I'm serious. These brushes are really, really good and cute, as you can see. I will have it in the description box below. Okay, so now I'm finally gonna go in with that pink shade. I'm so excited. From the Patrick Star collection, and I'm gonna work that on my outer crease, just at my outer crease. This brush is not doing it for me. It's just not. So I'm gonna actually take a pencil brush. That brush is really good for my lower lash line. I've used it multiple times for my lower lash line, but it's not doing what I need it to do for my outer crease. So I'm just gonna take this pencil brush from Go Get Glitter. I'm slightly putting that pink into my crease as well, but still in the on the outer portion of my eye, because I'm just obsessed with that color, the way it's just making my eyeshadow just do what it's, look at this, look at this, look at this. So I'm getting a little carried away. That's basically what I'm saying. Okay, so I think the pencil brush did its job as far as packing the eyeshadow on. I'm gonna go back to this Glamour Dolls tapered blending brush, and I'm gonna take more of that pink shade and just make sure that this is all nicely blended and smooth out here. So I'm just gonna go back in with my fluffy brush and blend the outer crease a little bit. Make sure that all of these colors are sort of meshing at the outer part of my eyelid so it doesn't look like a big old mess. So now I'm just gonna do some winged liner. I'm gonna try to keep it as simple as possible because I don't want a crazy winged liner. It Cosmetics Superhero Liner. Also, that's gonna help me see if I should build on whatever color I wanna build a little bit more, and if I just wanna keep it like this. Okay, so that's my wings liner. I'm gonna go and put on some mascara. I'm gonna use my Pacifica mascara and my It Cosmetics Superhero mascara, and I'll be right back with you guys. Okay, so I did my mascara and I also did my lower lash line. I just ran that ink lock color that I started off in my crease with under my lower lash line. I took it down further than normal because I wanted to have like a significant lower lash line, and I also put more mascara on my lower lashes than normal because I dragged down the shadows, so I wanted to make sure it doesn't look too crazy by adding enough mascara on my lower lashes. Now I'm just going to bronze up my face, and I'm going to take my It Cosmetics number 4 brush, and I'm going to take my It Cosmetics You Sculpted palette, and I'm going to take the light contour shade and bronze up the skin a little bit. Okay, now I'm just going to take this contour brush and use a medium, maybe light and a tad bit of dark. I like to mix these three. And this is the palette I'm working with, by the way. So I'm going to be mixing 1, 2, and 3 for my contour. So I'm just going to take that angled brush one more time to blend that out a little bit. Now I'm going to take my Patrick Star blush in Take Me Home, MAC Cosmetics Patrick Star blush in Take Me Home. I told you guys I was going to start using this blush because I'm obsessed with this color, with this shade. Ooh, this mirror makes my makeup look so nice. Okay, and now I'm just going to spray my face with my J-Cat Beauty Makeup Primer Spray in Jasmine. Gotta shake it up. So my face is always, and it has been for a while, super glowy because of my foundation is basically the Girl Lactic Luminous Face Powder. So that already has, you know, it's luminous, so it already gives my entire face this beautiful like sheen, which is perfect for spring and summer, but I've been doing it for like months now, so whatever. But I am gonna add some added highlight to my cheekbones and my nose and, you know, all the highlighted points. So for that, I'm going back to an oldie but a goodie. This was my favorite highlighter at one point, and it is the Anastasia Beverly Hills So Hollywood. It is beat up, and I think if I flip it, it would flip out. So I'm not gonna do that. And I'm just gonna take this highlighter brush from Royal Lengnico, and I'm gonna highlight my cheekbones. And instantly, I remember why I loved it so much. So I'm gonna highlight my inner corners with this baby. So I'm just gonna set my brows with my IT Cosmetics Brow Power Pomade, and then I'm gonna do my lips. So for lips, I'm gonna take my Graftobian Crushed Berry Lip Liner, and I'm just gonna line my lips a tad bit. I'm gonna take my MAC Cosmetics lipstick, Patrick Star, in Hey Boy Hey. I didn't get to use it in my last tutorial. Let me see if this even looks good on this look. Yeah, so I think I can make this work for this look, so I'm finally gonna be able to use it. I love the smell of MAC lipsticks. It just takes me back to so many times in my life. Anyways, time to do this. This is the final look. I'm very happy with this look because I haven't done a look like this in a very long time. I've been keeping my makeup super duper simple, so I'm very happy with this, and I haven't had a bold lip in a long time. So now that you've seen the final look, you've seen how I got it, let me know in the comments down below what do you think, and let me know if you guys want to see more makeup tutorials, because I'm definitely getting back into makeup tutorials and makeup so much more. So let me know. I also am probably gonna start my advice videos. Some of you have been asking me for them for so long. So don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, Facebook, and Twitter. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!